guys, this is Lessons with Herbert, and I want to show you my new idea. So previously, these calendars were apart, the year calendar and the month calendar, and now I want to incorporate this calendar to this calendar. Let's see what we will get. So now I need to make a hole in here, a hole in the circle, and also I need to make a hole in this little sun. Okay, so I used a piece of wire to connect those pieces together, and now I will place it here, and let's see how it will work. So here it should be like this, and now it's March, and bless you, that's my husband sneezing, and now it's the 12th of March. Okay, here we are in the middle, somewhere in the middle. See, this is my perpetual calendar. I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, so if you think that's a cool idea and you want to see more of my ideas, please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and I will be so pleased.